All right, periods of flurries here in the FM area. And a look down at the Hector International Airport from our Valley Skycam here in South Fargo. From time to time, our visibility reduces a little bit with a shot of flakes. It is 7 degrees and it just feels brutal out there. Those winds still over 20 miles per hour. In fact, gusting to 30 at the last measurement, making it feel like it's 15 below out there. Really biting the old earlobes tonight with the light snow reported at the top of the hour. Zero degrees in Grand Forks, 6 below Langdon, and 4 below in Devils Lake. So that cold corner of air now pushing into northeast North Dakota. Holding on to a balmy 10 degrees in the Wahpeton Breckenridge area, but closer to 20 out on Highway 10 from Detroit Lakes all the way out towards Wadena this hour, and 13 in Bemidji. Here's a look at what it feels like when we factor in those brutal north winds, and our wind chills are already approaching that 30 below category with air temperatures expected to continue to dive down. These wind chills will also really subside. The aerial coverage of the wind chill advisory has been expended by the National Weather Service. Most of northeast North Dakota and now the Red River Valley counties in northwest Minnesota included, as we will have dangerous wind chills. Keep that in mind. Get that survival kit in the back of your vehicle, making sure that you have something to stay warm with should you become stranded by the roadside. Here is a look at the snow showers, still barely showing up at as much of anything on here. And we do have clear skies up north where things are really cooling off. These clouds kind of keeping us from getting as cold as fast here. But boy, has it been slippery. Crashes all over the interstates in the FM area have been taking place throughout the evening. And we will continue to see slippery roads right now focused on Highway 200 and southward toward Interstate 94. We do still have some snow showers extended all the way into southern parts of Minnesota this evening. Nothing is too heavy, and we're expecting a few tenths to around a half an inch of snowfall from these systems out there. On top of what we've gotten, that's going to make for some slippery roads in your morning commute. But the story of the morning will certainly be the brutal cold temperatures in northeast North Dakota and northwest Minnesota. Factor in these winds at 15 to 25 miles per hour. We'll have wind chills at times that could approach 30 to 40 below zero in those locations. So bundle up those bus riders first thing in the morning. And in fact, you yourself bundle up, cover up your ears and your head. As we take a look at the midday temperatures, we don't warm too much. Many of us staying below zero. And if we're above zero, it isn't by much down to our south and east. Throughout the afternoon, we don't warm much. We have a chance at seeing some sun, and the wind starts to die down out in our western counties for the afternoon, making that 1 degree above or below not feel as bad. Heading into the evening, it once again dives fairly quickly Friday night, but we do have some clouds moving in, south winds moving in for the weekend. That's going to warm things up as we head towards your Saturday. For your Friday morning in Fargo, temperatures near 5 below, wind chills closer to 25 below. It will be a brutal morning out there. Through the midday hour, we warm up and we do get just barely above zero, and then it'll be quickly back down to sub-zero readings beyond your drive home. All right, a look at your forecast in your hometown. The warmest weather will be in central Minnesota, 5 to 10 degrees there. Elsewhere, a few degrees either side of zero. Here is a gorgeous shot of the clouds mingling with the rising sun. Thanks, Lori, for taking the time to send us your photo. Now let's take a quick look at the Wednesday time frame on the forecast. We do have a significant storm next Wednesday that is going to be making an impact. American model now really reducing the amount and aerial coverage of snowfall with this system because it's bringing colder air in sooner. But the European model still showing a healthy dose of snow in our northern counties with a lot of wind and super cold air following that up. So here's what it looks like as we draw the numbers. Close to 20 this weekend after a cold start on your Saturday. Sunday, we stay near 15 to 20 degrees. A flurry or two Monday into Tuesday. And there we're highlighting Wednesday to keep you aware of what is going on there. Major changes in the weather to include wind, cold, snow, and that continues into late in the week.
All right, thank you. And make sure